Just to come to that min threshold, don't just go from there. Come here. गोल्ड बनाई तो खाए चले गलो जानवर 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 दिल ना min threshold एंट्रीटा दिल ना It is not going to give me the entry on the min threshold. That's why I just closed the entry from that one. Cancelled the entry. If it can close above this line, which is the UpBG, this is where it's gonna trade back. It will never come back to that min threshold level. From this specific range, it should again expand higher. Should not come to that min threshold one more time, or any given time. What's the time? 2:37. I should go to bed, but it's what it is. Let's see. Let's see what exactly happens. Cause this is the moment, tonight is the night time. I really wanna see the market going and creating a high for the PM session. After this huge expansion and the retracement, it's literally consolidating. So what I'm expecting on the next move, okay, this 1 minute candle needs to close above this level. So let me change this one's color to maybe the red, and this one to maybe this. So I want to see it's closing above that red line. This candle, this 20 seconds, close above that by a tick will be good enough. Stay here. Yep. So what I'm expecting on the next candle, if it fails to create this fair value, then this red line is where market coming, and I can move it until here. This is where it's coming, and then again going higher from that red line. Maybe from there as well because of this black candle, but still, yeah. So that's exactly where it should come and then go higher, no lower than that. So for that I can move it here. Because I know how it works. Exactly. Because I know. So usually the buy side is this one, okay, this is the buy side, but just because that's the new week opening gap midpoint, I just targeted until that far. So this is the buy side for this entry. Okay, it has already filled it up, so I don't really need to mark anything else.